Hey, let me show you all gestures of your Realme Buds Air 5. So, to actually find all of these gestures, you will have to open the Realme Link application, then scroll a little bit and you will have to go for the button settings. And as you can see, we can find actions for the left and the right earbud, and we've got double tap, triple tap, and touch and hold. So for the double tap, we can actually pick play and a pause, turn next track, or wake voice assistant. For the triple, we got actually some other options like volume up, volume down, switch devices, game mode, for example, and just right here we've got the another options like the voice control, the noise control, and the game mode. And it looks the same for the right one. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.